So here comes the next question, how to improve basic English grammar quickly. Whenever you are going to improve your basic grammar or English grammar, you should know what are the basic elements of English grammar, because this grammar is not only helpful for competition, but this English grammar is also useful in our daily life. Whether you are going for descriptive exams, you are speaking, or you are attempting any exam, you should know what is the basic elements of English grammar. Some basic elements of English grammar is parts of speech, then the correct knowledge of tenses, then correct knowledge of voice, that is active or passive, and what are the speech, the direct or indirect, and when you are going for descriptive exam, you should also know some idiom phrases or phrasal verb, etc. So these are some key elements which will help you in improving your English grammar. Parts of speech, you are studying from junior classes, the noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, etc. The tenses, whether the sentence is in present tense, past tense, future tense, or it is in indefinite, continuous or perfect continuous, etc. Then voice, whether that is active voice or passive voice, speech, whether that is direct speech or indirect speech, or idioms or phrasal verb, that depends on your learning capacity and the vocabulary portion, as it will help you in choosing efficient words while writing descriptive exams or while speaking to someone else. When you want to improve your English grammar, then you should know what is part of speech, and for improving parts of speech, you should know what if that is noun, then what is the meaning of noun, then what are the parts or kinds of noun. Then it will be easy for you to recite or learn the rules, because when you know what is the word, that word is noun, pronoun, or what is the meaning of that word, which part or which kind does the word belongs to, when you know these basic information about any word, then it will be easy for you to learn the rules for that word or learn the rules for that part of speech. Then tenses, if you want to improve your English grammar, you are speaking correctly or not, the sentence is written correctly or not, you should know about tenses, whether the sentence is in present tense, it is in past tense, or it is in future tense. Suppose you are going to do something in near future, so the sentence must be in future tense, but while speaking you are using present tense or past tense that you have already done, then it will not match or it will not be meaningful according to your words or according to your sentence. So whenever you are improving or you want to improve your English grammar, then you should have the correct knowledge of tense also. The rules of tense is very simple, and while reading the rules, when you recite word by word and tense by tense, part by part, then it will be easy for you to know about the tenses. Then voice, active voice or passive voice, speech, direct speech or indirect speech, reporting verb, reported speech, etc. in these speeches. Then idioms, you have to learn some idioms, some phrasal verbs, some vocabulary, but the main thing is improving your basic English. For this you have to study the basic books, the basic rules, the basic kinds, the basic meaning of these key elements of English. Since we are talking about basic or fundamental English grammar, you should start from the basic books, the basic English books, either they are of junior classes or those books in which the whole thing is explained clearly. If you are direct going to the rules, you are watching the rules or videos in which the rules are explained, or the books, the competitive books in which the rules are explained, and you are not having the knowledge of noun, you are not having the knowledge of parts or kinds of noun, and you are watching the rules in which abstract noun is given, and the rule for abstract noun is given that it should not be plural. The plural use of abstract noun is correct. If you don't know what is abstract noun, then how do you know what is plural or what is correct or what is wrong? So first you should know the parts meaning, and then after you should go after the rules. So for improving basic English grammar, first improve your basic elements, improve your basic knowledge about these fundamental elements, then it will be easy for you to improve your English grammar.